Hello, this video is made in regard to the interview assessment evaluation. My name is Augustine Tangod. I'm applying for the job role as a mechatronics engineering in ABC Manufacturing Solution, which is based in Birmingham, with the key requirements which are proficient in designing and developing a mechatronics system, strong knowledge in CAD simulation and programming using Arduino, C++, and Python in control system, experience in automation and production system, and ability to collaborate effectively within a group members of teams, and excellent problem solving and attention in detailing. Question 2 saying, why do I want to work for this company and what makes me suitable for this role? I want to work with ABC Manufacturing Solution because I'm passionate about integrating mechatronics, electronics, and software system to create an innovative system. ABC Manufacturing Solution is known for its advanced mechatronics production system that enhance manufacturing efficiency and productivity. My background in mechatronics engineering within the University of Gloucestershire and my hands-on experience in developing automation system, which is a real-time and embedded system, makes me a strong candidate for this role. Additionally, my collaborative skills and problem-solving abilities align with the requirements, enabling me to contribute effectively to the project development. With question 4 stating, what is an emerging trend you see as relevant to our organization and why? An emerging trend relevant to ABC Manufacturing Solution is the increasing adoption of Industry 4.0 technology, especially the Internet of Things in manufacturing. IoT enables real-time monitoring and control of production process, leading to improved efficiency, predictive maintenance, and reduce downtime. This trend is particularly significant to our organization as it aligns with the mission to provide cutting-edge mechatronics production system. The IoT technology By integrating the IoT technology, ABC Manufacturing Solution can enhance its productivity in offering a beneficiary design to clients with a more intelligent and responsive manufacturing solution. Question 5 stated, where do I see myself in next 5 years? In next 5 years, I see myself in senior engineering role at ABC Manufacturing Solution, where I can lead complex projects and mentor the junior colleagues. I aim to specialize in integrating IoT and AI technology into a mechatronic system, contribute to the development to a more advanced and efficient production solution. Additionally, I aim to be involved in strategic decision making, helping the company stay at the forefront of technological innovation and expand its influence in different manufacturing industries. Question 6 stated that what are the differences between an open loop and a closed loop control system? Providing an example. Open loop system operates without feedback. They execute command without verifying the outputs to rectify if there's an error within the system, while the closed loop control system uses feedback to adjust its operation based on the outputs. The closed loop system can be integrated using MATLAB as well, which the step response is being rectified using a closed loop system. An example of a closed loop system is the thermostat control HVAC system, which regulate the heating based on the current room temperature to maintain the predefined settings. Question 7 states that how do you use data to make decisions, and provide an example in a project you have been involved in. In a project I developed in my final year, which was enhancing autonomous vehicle performance in adverse weather conditions. During this project, several sensors were being explored, which were the ultrasonic sensor, the infrared sensor, the radar, and the LiDAR. They were being assessed based on the following criteria. They were being assessed for being cost effective and being able to do the job, having the sensing ability. The ultrasonic sensor was being considered due to its easily implementation, and the cost is very cheap compared to the radar and LiDAR. Is best in demonstrating a prototype. By analyzing this data, we identified the most efficient sensors and validate the choice will result in a more efficient and cost-effective of the system. This data-driven approach ensured that the decision was based on empirical evidence, leading to improved system performance. Questions 8 state that you have built a physical Arduino sensor and actuator system, but it's not working. What is your approach to resolve this? My approach would be like check into the power supply and ensure the right voltage is being applied on the Arduino system to see if the right power supply is being if it's using the right power supply, which is normally 3.3 voltage to 5 volt. Sometimes if you are, for example, you are using a DC motor, sometimes it needs a 5 volts more than 3.3 Arduino implemented volts. Sometimes you might need a 5 volt. Or we can sometimes verify the connection to see if the negative pins is being included on the positive, or sometimes there might be a miss connection. And also I can test the components separate individually to see if there's a particular component which is not working and it's affecting other components as well. And also I can look into the code review, examine the Arduino code for logical errors. There might be errors within the code. And also I can look into the library. There's some components you can check for the library as well. You can include the library sometimes, just like using the LCD. In Arduino, we need to include the liquid crystal, or using the ultrasonic sensor, you need to include the library as well. Installing and including the library with the code as well. Question 9 states that describe a situation where you didn't have enough information to solve a problem. What did you do? During my time in uni, so we're in a group of 4. We're asked to design armrest for a client, who is based in Manchester. So we're unable to see this client, and we're unable to get the required data needed to build this arm system. So what we had to do in this situation was had a team meeting with the client, speak on the requirements, on what the maximum requirement which is needed for this system to work. Even with this interview, we are still the information we gotten was still not enough to facilitate this design. So what we had to do was like conduct a maximum stress analysis to for this design to work within a maximum stress which you can ascertain within several individuals, instead of just building the design for just a specific users. This proactive approach allows to gather the necessary information and make decision making, leading to the successful completion of the project. With question 2 stating, how did I find the interview? What did you struggle with and why? What did you think went well? What would you prepare more for the next interview? I found this interview to be valuable and insightful experience. I struggled a bit in recalling specific details for situational questions, which highlighted the needs for better preparation in reflecting on past experience. On the other hand, I felt confident discussing technical topics and articulating my motivation for applying to ABC manufacturing solution. To prepare for my next interview, I will review specific example from my past project and experience in greater detailing, and research more about the company's recent projects and technological advancements to demonstrate a deeper understanding and alignment with their goals. Thank you.